Okay, in current IT context, these applications were categorized into two: on-premise applications, okay, on-demand applications.
Right.
So first, we'll deep dive what is on-premise applications. Okay, so
Right.
premises. When we'll call something as my premises, my neighbor's premises, this is my like uncle's premises. So how it will be defined? It is defined with some specific area, right?
Right.
So whenever you want to use any of the application, that application has to be pre-installed in the device what you are using. It may be your laptop, it may be your tab, okay, your
Right.
desktop, organization network. So wherever you want to
Right.
use, there first this has to be installed. Then only you can do the configurations and customizations,
Right.
which is called on-premise application. On-premise applications require pre-installation in the device which you are using. Okay,
Right.
so
Right.
we'll deep dive into this. Let's see, we'll see some example. Let's say you want to create a Word document, you want to create a PPT, or you want to modify a presentation, or you want to create a report or dashboard. So
Right.
what is required?
Yes.
Let's say you need MS Office to be installed in your device where you want to use this.
Right.
Okay, clear?
Yes. Right.
So what we'll do, we'll define, we'll learn some scenarios. Scenario one. Let's say
Right.
today I have purchased MS Office 2013 version. So later after few days, okay, uh, okay, sorry, MS Office has come up with newer version, which is called
Right.
2016. If I want to
Right.
get this new features, if I want to use this new features, what I need to do?
Have to update, or I
Okay,
have
will
to
you directly
install.
update to this?
No, it will not directly update it. I have to do it manually.
Okay, so first you have to purchase, right? You have to purchase the MS Office 2016, okay, and also you have to install it,
Right.
right? So here you will have
Right.
both. One is technical challenge, and also another is financial challenge because you have to purchase it and you have to install it. If you have any issue in
Right.
the installation, again you have to reach to them, so then they can okay work on it.
Right.
Okay, so
Yes.
again, if later if it has come up with another version, so same. So you have to purchase it and you have to install it.
Right.
So which is a big problem. So that's why if you see there is no consistency of all the MS Office users using the latest features,
Right.
right? Still some people
Yes.
they're using 2007, 2010, 13, 16, 19. Okay,
Yes.
there is no consistency that all the Microsoft users are using the latest features which is providing by the
Okay.
okay MS Office. Clear till now?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Next, let's say you have purchased MS Office 2000, sorry, two-seater license. So keeping in mind, one you can install in your Windows laptop, second in your iPad.
Right.
Okay. So will this be compatible
Yes.
with all the operating systems?
Different operating system, different MSOs versions.
Sorry.
Yeah, different operating system and different version of MSOs.
Yeah. So it is not compatible with all the operating system. For example, any of the application developed by Java, so it will be compatible with Linux. If it is
Right.
PHP, it will be compatible with the Windows. If it is .NET, it will be compatible with the Windows. Okay, so like this, certain applications will be compatible with certain operating systems or with certain devices.
Right.
Okay, so
Yes.
so again, this is one more thing. Like it is platform dependent.
Right.
Yeah, clear.
Yes, clear.
So now I'll go to the next scenario. Let's say you have created a report, and today you have to submit to your office. Okay, in the meanwhile, what happened? Your laptop got crashed. Where all the details you have provided in the lecture, you have saved that in the laptop. Okay,
Right. Right.
okay.
Yeah,
So
understood.
yeah, so what you will do in that case? You have worked so hard to create those.
Right.
So whatever you have worked, everything will go waste because you have not saved any of those details with you. Clear?
Right. At
So
that time, actually, cloud storage, etc., was not there, or not so popular.
yes, yes. Okay. So are you clear now with what is on-premise applications?
Right.
Yeah. So now we'll see what is an on-demand application. Okay, the on-demand application even will be called as a cloud applications.
Right.
Okay, on-demand
Right.
application even will be called as a cloud applications. Okay, so
Yes.
whenever I want to use these applications, okay, it doesn't require any pre-installation.
Installation. Right.
Okay, that's why it is called cloud application or internet-based application.
Right.
Okay, if you have internet wherever you are, whatever the device you are using, okay, you can you can use this. Okay, clear?
Right. Like YouTube, Google Drive, etc.
Yeah. See, for simple thing, so the same MS Office which I told, I can use this Word document which was installed in my laptop, right?
Right.
But why I'm using the web version, which is a cloud application? Because like this will be stored over the cloud. So even though my system it was crashed, so whatever the device I'm using, still I can log in and I can continue my work without any interruption,
Right.
right?
Right.
Which is which is on demand application. Clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. So if I compare, so whenever I want to use the latest features, so the service provider itself will provide all the latest features without any issues, even though it is a like you will not have a financial dependency or you will not have a technical challenges, because everything will be managed by the service providers.
Right.
So that is why always the cloud users will utilize all the latest features which was provided by the service providers.
Right.
So whatever the number of seater licenses you are purchasing, you can happily use because it is not platform dependent.
Right.
Okay. So, and the continuity of the work, because as I'm using the cloud version, even though this got crashed, I can go to login or whatever the device I'm using, still I can continue my work without any issues.
Okay.
Okay. So any questions in
Yeah.
this? So you're clear with the difference between like on-premise and hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Okay. So now you're clear with the difference, right? What is on-premise and what is on-demand?
Right. Right.
Yeah. So we'll just deep dive into cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Okay, we'll just see what is cloud computing. So whenever you want to use the IT resources over an internet on a rental basis, we'll be calling it as a cloud computing. Okay.
Right.
So to be simpler, if I have to say, let's say you want to use electricity for your house. Okay.
Right.
So like what you will be doing, will you establish complete power plant for your house, or you will just subscribe a license from electricity department, and whatever you are using for that month, you'll just pay at the end of the month, which is a feasible one.
Obviously, I will subscribe.
Yes, right. So
Right.
cloud computation is the same. So instead of, like, see, for example, if you want to develop an application, so what are all the things required? You need to have a proper platforms to develop it. Okay, you need to
Yes.
have a licensed servers, operating systems, network devices, storage devices. So you have to purchase all this, and also managing a server. So for one application, managing a server is very difficult because you need to have like at least three shift people, 8 hours, because server has to run 24/7. And also
Right.
there should be at least two or minimum two or three internet service providers internet, because if one line is down, automatically it has to switch to another.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Next, so you need to have this power backups, UPS, all this, because the server has to run 24/7, right? So managing all these for single applications will be very, very difficult. Like similarly, if you want to use the electricity, establishing a power plant, even that maintenance of the power plant is lesser than what you are expending every month, right?
Yes.
So clear. What is the definition of cloud computing, or do I need to
Yeah.
repeat?
Clear. No, clear. It's totally.
Clear, right? Yeah. So using all the IT resources over an internet. So what IT resources we can does the cloud provides, which will be called as a cloud services. Okay, cloud
Yes.
services. IaaS, EaaS.
SaaS,
Okay. So what is this?
infrastructure as a service,
Infrastructure as a
service,
service,
platform as a service,
platform as a service,
software as
software as a service.
a service.
So what is infrastructure as a service? So whenever the client wants to use, okay, the
The infrastructure,
infrastructure related things over an internet on a rental basis will be called as an infrastructure as a service. For example, like servers, virtual machines, storage devices, network devices, operating systems. Okay, so all this will be called as an infrastructure as a service. Clear?
yes, yeah, clear.
Next, platform as a service. So what is platform as a service? Generally, what is platform?
Platform is platform is actually a particular space where I can go and do my work and
Mhm.
like Google Drive is a platform as a service. Not sure. Platform as a service, I think, where the ready-made
Yeah.
solutions are provided.
So here the platforms are considered as in your developing tools, testing tools, migration tools. Because if you want to customize any of the application, you need to have all this, right? So we'll be considering that as a platform. Okay. So using all the platforms over an internet on a rental basis will be called as a platform as a service.
Service.
Okay. Next,
Yes.
platform as a service includes infrastructure as a service also. Next, software as a service. So whenever I want to utilize the like readily available application, okay, we'll be calling that as an software as a service. Okay, the software as a service includes platform as a service and also infrastructure as a service.
Service.
Okay,
Yes.
so any other questions here?
No, no question.
But I have a question. So I think we want to discuss here about what is Salesforce, right?
Right.
But why are we discussing all this?
Basically, to have some base, what problem Salesforce is actually solving. For that, I have to know the history and what are the challenges we had earlier before Salesforce.
Yes. To understand what is Salesforce and how Salesforce works, okay, you need to understand all this. Okay, then only you can easily work on Salesforce.
Right.
Okay, because Salesforce is an on-demand CRM tool. Okay, which works as a software as a service model. Okay,
Yes.
Salesforce is an on demand, so there is no installation, anything. You have to just take a license or subscription from Salesforce.
Yes.
Okay, and you can
Yes.
kickstart your business because it is a software as a service model because it comes up with readily available application with it.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so what is Salesforce now? What is the definition of Salesforce?
Salesforce is a on-demand CRM tool which is totally on cloud
Yes,
based level.
yes.
And it is mainly dealing in B2B.
Sorry?
B2B, Salesforce is mainly
Yes, yes,
dealing with B2B model.
yes, yes. So, any questions till here?
No, no questions.
Okay. So that's why Salesforce works as a pay as you go model or pay as you use model. So whatever the services you are using, okay, you will just
Yes.
okay pay accordingly.
And
Okay, whatever the services you are using, you will just pay only for those.
yes.
So now you are clear, right? What is uh like pay as you go model, like how Salesforce
Yes.
works. Your client will purchase, okay,
License.
yeah, the license, and they will be giving you the application where you will be using those.
Right.
So this is a small introduction to Salesforce. So once we purchase the application, you can start customizing it. So for this, you need to learn two things: configuration and customization. Configurations will be done by the system administrators in Salesforce. So the people who want to do all the configurations needs to have the complete system administration knowledge in Salesforce. So whatever it is out of scope for the configurations and whatever it is taking a lot of time to configure, so in those cases we'll be going for the development, which is called customizations.